Good evening, everyone. Evening not finished, so we would like to do today handmade, nice and fresh mayonnaise. So we can start from olive oil, yeah?
Yeah,
How
which we
many oils we
brought.
supposed to put here? In
We
this,
like Cherkins, always eating Cherkins.
Yeah.
Therefore, till here, till here.
Till here. So
Yeah. Put. I tell you,
I put this olive oil.
which we brought from Spain. This is extra virgin plus raffinated olive oil. Not bad.
So
At least more healthy than from you buy from the shop. More. I tell you, but I will tell you. More. Stop.
Stop. So I am doing first time, so my
Okay,
husband
okay.
helped me, so
All
I will
right.
try. So next step, what we do?
Next step. You put put vinegar.
Vinegar, how much?
I think 2 tablespoons. Not tablespoon. This teaspoons.
2 teaspoons. 1,
2. Maybe 3. Put 3.
maybe too much.
No, all right. Oh, a little bit more. Okay, 3 full teaspoon. Okay, let's
Okay.
do.
Next step,
Next, salt.
half
We
spoon.
using Himalayan salt. Very healthy.
Himalayan
See.
raw salt, half a spoon.
Huh?
Half a spoon.
Yeah, because last time we put full
It's
spoon
okay,
was
like
too
that.
salty. Yeah, all right. Yeah, put. Yeah.
Next step,
Sugar. I think sugar maybe, and this we use xylitol because it's like alternative to sugar is from birch and more
many
healthy
spoons?
also, not less calories here.
1 spoon.
Okay, put 1 spoon, 1 spoon,
1 spoon, okay.
and maybe 1 spoon of mustard. Yeah, English mustard. We buy always this one.
It's very nice. Great mustard.
Yeah, Coleman's.
English mustard. Like that?
Yeah.
I can put spoon here.
Yeah, and now mix. Mix. When we mix, we forgot one more ingredient.
Which one?
This is what is this ingredients? Oh, this eggs. Yeah, we
2
like.
eggs.
Yeah, we like this golden eggs from Aldi last time we bought. What? Maybe wait. Maybe with we need knife. Take maybe knife. How you going to break?
Okay. One moment.
And you can put this
But need to
one.
two eggs.
Yeah,
here.
2 eggs. Yeah. And 1 egg left for tomorrow morning for breakfast.
Okay.
Oh no mix.
No mix. Okay.
Yeah, eggs
I
supposed to be no mix, and now put this when no eggs mix. Now you have to put mix. Cover these eggs. Go there. Cover these eggs. Cover eggs.
Okay.
More cover. A little bit right. Okay, try.
And push.
Yeah. Hold. No, hold the jar. No, don't do. Stop. 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now a little bit up. Again, little bit up. 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 Stop. Don't up. No. Yeah. No, up a little bit. Yeah, now you can mix. Go down, up. Yeah. And a little bit like mix. Just to make sure that no this oil here. No.
I think it's okay. It's good. Great.
Okay, then stop now. No, you can take this spoon. How long does it take? I don't remember.
And not long.
Maybe.
Around 2-3 minutes around.
Hmm?
2-3 minutes around.
This is our mayonnaise. How many now? This maybe 680 grams. Maybe the same as Hellmann's. Of course, it's cost a little bit more, but we have natural.
Ingredients, all natural.
Yeah, natural ingredients.
And fresh.
Fresh eggs, not powder eggs. Proper mustard. Apple cider vinegar is very healthy for you. Salt, Himalayan, a lot of minerals. Olive oil, but we use not extra virgin because extra virgin little bit bitter taste. And xylitol. And after you do mayonnaise, you drink champagne now. Because
I would like first to try mayonnaise.
Okay. Oh no, you drink champagne and try after
No.
that. Okay.
It's excellent.
You like, yeah?
Very nice taste.
Give me to try.
Not salt, nothing. It's very nice. Great taste, yeah?
Next time we do like that. Because
Yes.
every time you can try different. If you want more salty, but this time what we've done, very nice, yeah?
I do first time. It's great. So for this, need to drink champagne.
No, because you done great because before you drink also 1 glass of champagne, yeah?
1 glass, just 1 glass. So cheers.
Yeah.
Oh, so tasty.
Let's celebrate our mayonnaise. Продолжение банкета на английском. Now carry on our Friday, and we decided little bit to put fire for our mood here, and we can show how we can fire this our wood burner, because we like to watch fire, drink wine, more cozy atmosphere, warm, straight away warm.
Anyway, we
I know
relax at the moment,
Yeah.
so.
I put like couple of logs because we prepared all these
Oh,
logs.
how many logs?
All logs. At the bottom we have small logs. Here more bigger logs. And we put at first we put like bigger logs here. We use firelighters like that. Like that. Easy, easy. I don't know what we could do without our wood burner. In England, always miserable weather. Always wet,
Cold.
humidity. And this, you put fire, you have better mood. Straight away warm. 4.5 kilowatt this fire. Maybe 1 log, like 45 minutes. We buy these logs from Home Bargains. 1 bag, 7 kilos, costs
And
5
5 pounds,
5
yeah.
pound. Yeah. Now we just close this door, but leave little bit gap here. This we have fun when this heat coming from the wood burner. This fan start to spinning and move all this hot air inside the room. This we have some accessories, sweeping this log. Here we have also for ash tray. We have some ash here. We put this here. It's already fire, don't, because this kill dry. wood. Very fast. From Latvia, coming, to home bargain. I don't know how much they pay in Latvia. If home bargain, 1 bag, 5 pound. Maybe in Latvia 3 pound, or maybe 2 pound, I don't know. But
Interesting, yes.
yeah, we like our wood burner, yeah.
Very,
Now you can.
very quick hot at home.
Yeah.
5-10 minutes already hot.
No,
It's beautiful.
Because I can say, when you come, cold house, even can be cold house. If you come from holidays or you come from work, you come, you put fire straight away. You can feel heat. It's when they outside making the fire, barbecue. People like you watch this light coming from
Like this picture.
flakes, this fire
Picture. Like
Huh?
people like fire picture.
Yeah.
It's
To watch fire. Oh, very hot now. And now it's alright. We can close this and we can regulate air coming from here. You can put now full air open. Now when we close, less air coming, and you see it's changed now. But because we started, we just need full open.
oh, you're so nice fire, yeah?
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, and our evening still going on. We still
So-
have time. How much? Now almost 9 o'clock. Maybe we watch some movie or maybe no, I don't know what we can do. Maybe dance.
Maybe dance.
Let's celebrate our mayonnaise.
So, good evening for us and for you guys. Bye.
Can you hear the noise? Very relaxing. Fire on full, quiet, relax. This we have temperature showing here. Supposed to be always between this and this. In the middle. The fish is burning.